Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best mini-itx cases you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Hyte Revolt 3 is a compact portable mini-itx chassis designed for gamers, creators, and professionals seeking performance in a small form factor. It features an integrated carrying handle for easy transport, tool-free side panels for quick access, and excellent cable management. The case supports mini-itx motherboards, triple-slot GPUs up to 335mm, and CPU coolers up to 140mm. Cooling options include radiator support up to 280mm and multiple fan configurations. It offers 3.5 and 2.5-inch drive bays, USB Type-C and Type-A front input and output ports, and fully filtered ventilation for optimal airflow. The Hyte Revolt 3 combines portability, functionality, and sleek design. The Corsair iCUE 2000D ARGB Airflow is a compact mini-itx PC case designed for high-performance gaming builds with aesthetic appeal. Its optimized airflow features include steel mesh panels on all sides and support for up to 8 120mm fans or 2 140mm fans, with 3 pre-installed Corsair AF120 RGB slim fans for effective cooling. The case accommodates triple-slot GPUs up to 320mm and multiple radiators, including a 360mm on the side. Storage options include 3 2.5-inch SSD bays, while the front input and output panel offers USB Type-A, Type-C, and audio mic jacks. With customizable RGB lighting via iCUE software, it blends functionality, style, and performance seamlessly. The Fractal Terra mini-itx is a premium small form factor case that blends compactness, style, and functionality. With a 10.4-liter volume, it features a luxurious anodized aluminum chassis and a solid walnut front panel, available in multiple colors. It supports high-end components, including GPUs up to 322mm and CPU coolers up to 77mm, with a flexible sliding center wall for customization. Cooling options include a 120mm fan or all-in-one water cooler. It offers organized cable management, USB Type-C connectivity, and compatibility with SFX and SFXL power supplies. Ideal for stylish space-efficient builds, it's a standout choice for modern gaming setups. The SilverStone CS382 is a compact yet high-performance micro-itx NAS chassis ideal for enthusiasts and professionals. It features 8 hot swappable bays supporting 2.5 and 3.5-inch SAS 12GB or SATA 6GB drives, ensuring easy maintenance. The chassis includes dual 92mm fans and supports 240mm or 280mm radiators for efficient cooling. Its lockable front door enhances security, while 4 expansion slots accommodate GPUs, network, or RAID cards. Front input and output ports offer modern connectivity, including USB Type-C and USB 3. With removable dust filters for easier maintenance and support for up to 11 drives, the SilverStone CS382 balances robust storage capabilities with a compact, versatile design. The Cooler Master NR200P Max is a compact 18-liter mini-itx case designed for high-performance builds. It features durable materials, versatile cooling options, and user-friendly assembly. The case includes a pre-installed 280mm all-in-one liquid cooler with a third-generation pump, supports up to 280mm radiators, and has an 850-watt gold-certified SFX power supply. Its modular design supports vertical GPU mounting for GPUs up to 336mm, with a PCIe Gen 4 riser cable included. Users can choose between tempered glass or ventilated steel panels for aesthetics or airflow. With tool-free access and pre-routed cables, it simplifies high-end PC building in a sleek, compact form.